Not all greens need a garden. Some grow fast, taste amazing, and pack a punch right from your windowsill. Microgreens are the fast-tracked flavor and nutrients, and there's a variety to choose from. Broccoli Star 2204 delivers a crisp bite and a powerful antioxidant boost, while Red Mizuna adds a peppery, mustard-like kick with vitamins A and C. Next, Black Tuscan Kale brings fiber, crunch, and support for digestion in every leaf. And Radish Sparkler, that's your peppery vitamin C kick. Red Amaranth offers a mellow flavor, rich in calcium, iron, and vitamins A and C. To grow, place damp palm peat in a tray, sprinkle your seeds, cover lightly, and keep in a bright spot. Mist when dry, and let them grow. Big flavor, small space, zero fuss. Starke Ayres Microgreens. Tiny greens that pack a punch.